I'm Heather Houghton with Oil and Gas Investor. We're sitting here with Olivier Thierry, Chief Marketing Officer for Quorum. Welcome.
Thank you, Heather. Nice to be here.
So tell me a little bit about Quorum.
Wow, Quorum's been around for about 20 years. We've been making innovative software for the oil and gas industry. We have software products that cross upstream, midstream, downstream, and we've been technically innovating for many, many years, and we have very innovative software solutions for this industry.
What are your latest announcements? What's going on right now?
Oh wow, we've been on a software kick for the last 5 years. We've been building this new software platform called Quorum, and our latest announcements are Quorum Land, which is a whole new paradigm for land administrators, lease analysts, land acquisition people, landmen itself. So it's, as I said, it's a whole new paradigm, and we've just released Quorum Land. And in addition to that, we've released Quorum Field Operations, which is a completely integrated suite of software that takes data from production sites, all the way from wells, all the way back to the ledger, and does production allocations, et cetera. So it's really, really cool stuff that we're releasing.
What do you think the key trends Quorum sees in the industry right now?
Well, that's a great question. Obviously, we're starting to see the recovery happen, which is really awesome. And so with that, and having come through that downturn, most people have been focused on three things, I believe. They've been focused on operational efficiency, business agility, and the changing workforce. And when I talk about operational efficiency, what I mean there is essentially at $90, $95 or $100 a barrel, you could afford to be a little less efficient and still make a lot of money. That's not true at $55 or $60 a barrel. So that's a really important trend. So we're seeing a lot of IT drive that efficiency. Agility is the ability to make decisions in near real time, to be able to outflank your competitors or be able to make decisions on production, as I said, in near real time. And then and the changing workforce. Well, we've known that the great crew change has been on for a while. But I think that's been accelerated over the last few years as we've seen a lot of people exit the industry. We're seeing a lot of younger people come into the industry, and they're expecting things like the consumerization of IT to drive, to be the way that they work. They use iPads at home, they use iPads at work. That's what they're expecting. So those three trends are driving a lot of what we're building.
So you have a booth at NAPE.
Yeah.
What are some of the things you're showing? What are you excited about right now?
Well, I'm really excited about our Quorum user experience platform. We started down this journey of completely reinventing our software platform about 6 years ago, and we call that platform Quorum. And we were just talking about the user experience. If you look over at our booth, and which is, if you could see in the distance, you'd see it, you'll see that what you see is a very cool, simple displays, widgets. We surface all of the complexity of managing the environment into very small little widgets that have the things that you need to pay attention to. So everything is persona based. So if Heather, for example, was a lease analyst, Heather would see only the things that matter to her as a lease analyst. So we call that role-based personas. And that's so different than what people were used to. Before, they had a clutter of screens. They had this, what I call swivel chair approach to management. They go from this screen to that screen. They use yellow stickies, and if it's Wednesday and they're facing west, they put this data in. So it gets really weird. Now it's all simplified, and it's very cool, and it's all mobile first. It runs on tablets and phones, and so we're really excited about that. Really excited.
I have to say, I am guilty of using yellow stickies everywhere, so I understand.
As long as it's not your password that's sitting
on
the
keyboard. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and if you want more information, you can visit their website, which is qbsol.com. Thanks so much.